The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. See the folks now the Christmas here, counterfeit run. It's a simple little transaction a man do. Purchase a motorcycle and this is how him get $53,000 worth of counterfeit. This is just print on paper, you can feel it.
Yeah, to the LL man him do it.
Yeah, see there?
Tell
See what
them
them
to
a
the
do.
LL man him do it.
Tell them
See
that.
what them a do, yeah. Them a fleece the people
LL
them.
people.
See there? Them give the man 53,000. Yeah, it's an elderly man them give it to. You understand? But see the original 5,000, yeah, because we're going to do the comparison right now. Make everybody see. See there? We want everybody to see. These are the real one. These are the fake. See there?
And them have some with children from the back.
Yeah, where them have say children they on the back. But differently from that, the man them coming like them a print on paper. Because this coming like just regular paper. See there? Yeah. Right? And it's in the $1,000 too. See this one here? This one here paper. See there? Nothing in it. See there? Paper. Yeah man, that them a do man in the Christmas here. Everybody be on the lookout. See here? This a $53,000 worth, you know. $53,000 worth of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You understand? And the 3,000. Let me take up back my real one. See the real one here? Yeah. But them one there.
My people, be careful of counterfeit money. See, be careful. I posted at least one previous video where I talk about counterfeit money. You see me, I say my people, wanna be careful, be very careful. Listen, if you have a money in your possession and if you don't know if the money is real or if it is fake, you can contact the police and ask questions, but be prepared to answer questions as well, no viewers and subscribers, because counterfeit money is a serious crime. You understand? See? Yeah, you might contact the police and the police are gonna ask you where you get it from and all them things. As I say, but if you're not sure so the money real, contact the police. You see? Don't have a money in your hands and then you go tear it up and then when you realize the money real. You see me? I'm not an expert when it comes down to counterfeit money. You understand? Me can recognize some, but I'm not sure if I can recognize every single one. You see me? Because these criminals who do these counterfeit money thing is like them get very good at what they are doing, people. So be careful. You understand? Be very careful. All right. Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. Dancehall skilla there again, is it? So I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about the video, and according to some things at least one person said in the video, allegedly it is said that the video shows when a jealous man attacked and repeatedly hit a man because the man had sexual intercourse with his baby mother and the video recorded what happened. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. I cannot present the entire video to you for certain reasons, alright? And I'm also going to tell you what I think about the video as well, isn't it? Yeah, the video that I'm talking about contains harsh language and the video shows a hostile situation where someone hit a person repeatedly. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. You hear the things I say in the background video? Listen. Listen.
Yeah. You fucking man, give me mala. and video it. Who? Yo. No, sir. I mean, in your phone there. On my phone.
You hear that?
You fucking man, man, a video it, dog. I man a friend, dog. After that, wicked boy, man.
Alright, but people, I am stopping that video right there. Yes, may I stop the video right there. See it? Because the video shows some things that are not appropriate for this platform. Now, with all due respect, because I do not mean to disrespect no one. No, I do not mean to disrespect no one. The man who hit the man repeatedly, wrong for just attacking and hitting the man repeatedly alone, no matter what the situation be. You see me? I mean, I say these things with all respect, because I don't want nobody get themselves in trouble with the law, my people. See it? Now hear my reasoning now and listen me good now. See it? Whether or not this video is about a man who attacked and repeatedly hit a man because the man had sexual intercourse with his baby mother and video recorded it, the man wrong. It no matter what the situation. If you hit someone violently, you're wrong. Come in and support violence. Me, Dancehall Skilla, I don't support no form of violence, no viewers and subscribers. No, I don't support no form of violence. See? Now, if the woman really and truly allow this to happen, then she take a part in it, them people. One day so me I say, because if this really happen, and if it's not rape, then obviously she played a part in it. See? So what if she decide that she's going to get involved with someone else again? What's going to happen? Eh? If a female do something that you don't like, walk away. If me can do it, anyone else can do it. Walk away. Don't put yourself in trouble with the law. Yes, I said to you, I mean all of these things with the most respect. I also wonder if the man attacked the man out of embarrassment because the man might have been or is or was friend with that person. Yes, I say maybe, I don't know. Yes, I say some I wonder all them things there. And you hear the person at the background of the video, you hear that person there, eh? Is it you ever hear one phrase or then say Satan, you ever hear that phrase there before? So I say, yeah, but this is not a laughing matter still, my people. And a real people find themselves in trouble with the law because of similar situation or maybe exact situation. You understand? I'm just trying to put a good advice out there. If somebody do something and say them are your friend and it upset you, walk away. Don't attack none of those persons. You understand me? I said to you, just learn from your mistakes and you can use that and know who are your friend or friends, and you can use that and know who makes sense in your life. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, my people. See? Anyways, I guess I'm going to leave it here, my people. I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what to think about that whole situation right there. Alright? Alright, now some time ago, I saw a video that contains pictures and pieces of audios. And those pieces of audios in that video is said to be from a female who goes by the name of Sherika. In that video, Sherika said some things about Miss Donna and other things as well. As I say, no. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show the same female who goes by the name of Sherika. In this video, Sherika said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about things that happened to her, and she also talked about other things as well. She also said some things in this video that might be considered as insult to persons on social media during a live recording on social media. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. And harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
My yard ever clean. Me not dirty like the rest of people. Them when me see dirty and not get themselves together and their money together. Me not bad mind nobody. Me should about all people if get help. So when they eat me for, matter of fact, me not come on this to talk about my pass. Me done give you my pass from December the 2nd. It that man it done happen. So frig everybody where I chat. My thing where I talk about this morning is to be happy and stay focused and take care of my kids.
Listen.
And stay alive.
Listen.
And who hate me, I not beg no back for like me, but me appreciate someone who hate me, someone who teach me to move on to real people. Cause some of them faker than the flowers them for my dresser. What do you want from me? What me ever do too no? From a little bit I grow my mouth band for just a give joke and just a chat. So what kind of lie me could I tell? Let me tell you no all lie, tell you no look dumpy, but you no better share the lie. So when you come tell lie one time, when you come back to tell a second lie, you say something different, you don't remember the first lie. So how is it possible me get hurt and can talk it so straight over and over again? Frigo no. Come off of my back. Whether the woman instigate man or the woman do it herself, me not hate her, me hate her behavior. Leave me alone. Cause same way, you know I mix up and I interpret the argument. So she have talk about the woman at and then she talk about the woman ear. The woman ear, her original ear, she ever wear one side. Me not say nothing bad. She ever in her artist clothing, but at the ear them I know she wear. So why not jump on about my bad mind? I'm a grudge people for house and I broke and I run out Christmas. If me tell you where I work, you shut up on a thinking mouth. So them have big company in foreign, so we have big company in Jamaica. And to all that lady manipulate me and push me out in the street, say me a thief. If I wasn't a real person, you think I could have there, yes sir, duppy bat, you know? You know how me there? You know, shut up on the mouth and make people know me come talk. And say big up yourself, Sherika. I say enough respect nice people. What the hell? Yeah, I agree, so I get a lot and them do a lot for me. But you know, if I agree, so I get hurt. I want to hear that talk before I come out and now I come out and still a bash me. You leave me. It not work for you, baby. It work for me. Brown and nice and cute. Bae, this guy need to kill you. You know, shame. You know, Sister Sherika not listen to you. Why you come back and talking to me? Somebody talk to her for me. Tell her I forgot tighten up on her a little bit of life where she live. Bad mind are you me get it from. What you do for my life? Me invite you. Me never invite you. And you come on. So who bad mind? You know have your own life go do one. Come out of my face. Come out of my face, lady garden. You want to take out 2 more of my teeth like how them box out. Go away. Come out of my face. I think I'm afraid to argue with you, but it don't look respectable. So that look like I'm looking a hype for you. Me not look none. Come out of my face. Go away. Go away. Go away. No come out of my face and watch me. No, no. Send what you want send and text what you want text. Jesus is my deliverer. Come here someone talk about Jesus. I don't see what Jesus I do. I don't see what Jesus I do for someone. No. Him save me.
Oh, okay.
I could have died. I'm a bad mind. I want to say me go beg. Send go beg. Go down a mountain view where my mother live. And that's why sometimes I hold some. Because if me ever talk, I don't shut up on a thinking mouth. All you Miss Garden, I don't see your face, I want to describe you, but you can't trace like me. Because the time when you talk about my bleaching now, hurt me, that tell you if you go pick out the ear them where you each up in your teeth. Stupid woman. Don't call.
Well, my people, let me know what you think about the things that Sherika said in that video. You know, Sherika made some allegations about Miss Donna, and I don't even know what to say about those allegations. You see me, a lot of persons on social media don't believe her, and you have persons on and off social media who believe her as well. So, let me know what you think about the things that Sherika said. You see me, I say, yeah, so yeah, so I'm going to leave it, number people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time. If you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla, you know. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.